In my last video, you saw I broke my diff, and hopefully I can get it replaced warranty. Now I got to take all this shit off. Really not too bad, just the snorkels and the radiator cover and the bolts and shit, wherever it is back there. Hopefully they'll take it all off. Hopefully I'm out of my what do you call it, the 6-month warranty, and I'm into aftermarket warranty. Hopefully it gets covered. We'll see. Hopefully it's fixed by the time that this video posts, because I got maybe 3 or 4 before then. I was overseas, so I didn't get a chance to post too many videos, and went out Saturday, the day after I got back, and blew that shit up. So my videos are definitely going to slow down. Hopefully warranty covers this, and we'll be good to go and back riding again. Let's see. Yep, can you see that? Totally messed up. The bad thing is I bought the billet diff plate before this happened. I just didn't get a chance to put it on since I was out of town. Sucks. Who knows though? I can't tell if the actual case is cracked or just the cover. It'd be awesome if it was just the cover. This guy here. Can't tell though. We'll see. I'll keep you tuned. What the fuck? Alright, so I got the thing back to stock, hopefully clean enough. Nobody will know who I am, except for one little thing that I didn't really think out too much. I thought I was totally cool for, let's see, putting my name on my grips. Now, not so cool. Hopefully they don't look too far into that and look at my YouTube shit. Yep, hopefully they'll buy off on that. I think I said hopefully like 900 times. I got my fingers crossed. They should. I don't see why not. Second problem I had with it. First one was I went too deep, and I got this wet. That shorted out, so I had that replaced under warranty, and now I've blown up the differential, front differential. We'll see. Cross my fingers they buy off on it.
2,000 years later.
Man, what is up with my Sportsman? Finally got it back from the dealership last night. It got denied warranty for the diff. Rider's Advantage Aftermarket Warranty Company, not Polaris, because it was 6 months, over 6 months, like I think it was like 8 months when I broke it. So the Polaris one expired. I was now into the aftermarket warranty, which was Rider's Advantage, and as far as I could tell, they are the dirtiest of dirty cocksuckers in the fucking business. They denied, I don't know, you can see that. Can you see that? There's the diff in there. They denied the warranty because they said I continued to drive the bike after the differential broke. I guess I was supposed to leave it in the mud until they came out and inspected it. I don't know how that works, because if you fucking put it in gear, the drive shaft spins. Like, you can't avoid that unless you take it off the transmission. So that's fucking stupid right there. It irks me that they denied it, but I get it. I mean, it's pretty fuckered up. I get it, but they fucking took a month to come out and say no. It actually is like 5-6 weeks, so almost a month and a half before they fucking told me, no, we're denying it. And just to say the reason why that I drove it afterwards is just the most ridiculous thing ever. I get it if you fucking say, hey, we saw your videos, No way in hell are we warranting that. That's beyond normal use. But they fucking didn't. They just did it because they're dirty fucking cocksuckers. I mean, I would never, if you are buying a warranty, never ever buy Rider's Advantage. On my Ranger, I had Western aftermarket warranty, and they were good. They got me a rebuilt transmission, bulletproofed, all that stuff. That was covered, and I didn't even take the lift off or anything. They were good. Western was good. Rider's Advantage, cheap pieces of fucking spineless shit. Not a fucking backbone in their whole fucking lineup. Dirty fucking bastards. And trust me, I'm holding back, because what I said to this guy when you don't even want to know what I said to this guy when I don't even like repeating it when he told me that shit. Dealership, they did what they could. They felt bad for me. They knew it wasn't them or me or anything. It was the dirty fucking Rider's Advantage. I actually said that they were in an argument yesterday with Rider's Advantage because they didn't believe that Outlaw 2s came factory on a Sportsman. They were going to deny the claim because it had Outlaw 2s on it. That's how fucking stupid, dipshit fucking people these are. Idiots. So, do not get Rider's Advantage. So all that warranty shit is done. I knew it was coming. It's been in the shop forever. I was waiting on fans. They went ahead and replaced my radiator fan, so that's why it took so long. All the warranty shit done. Right after they called and said that they were denying the warranty, I went on eBay and I looked up a diff, a diff for the Sportsman Howitzer 1000. Found a used one that had the bulletproof, or not bulletproof, but the billet plate on there, and emailed the guy a couple times. Everything was great, in full contact, and then as soon as I sent money, he stopped contacting me and pretty much stole my fucking money, like $520. Cody Bustle out of Arkansas, straight up fucking thief. Stole my money. Had to wait until had to get it refunded by PayPal. That took a couple weeks. Finally, and then I bought a Ranger 900 diff, and or Razor 900 diff. I'm sorry. And we're gonna go ahead and do that swap, and hopefully I'm up and running here shortly. Hopefully. I don't know how that goes. Hopefully I can be up by next weekend. That Razor diff, I gotta cut a little piece of the frame. Gotta mess with the steering stem a little bit. I haven't really got in there to even take a look at what's going on in there. I'm kind of speaking out my ass right now. Anyways, maybe I'll do a video on that. I'm doing the Razor swap. It's kind of a pain in the ass to do how-to videos though. We'll see. Maybe I will. And then I got some other goodies. I haven't put it on yet, but I got a new exhaust from GSE, some new LED headlights. I got that tiger tail I got to put back on. Just some other shit. I'm pumped about having my bike back though. That's for dang sure. Pumped about it. Hopefully this gets done by Turkey Bog next weekend at Hogwaller. So hopefully you'll see me out there. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know whose warranty you got down below. If you got Rider's Advantage, I feel sorry for you. I feel bad for you, because you might as well wipe your ass with that certificate there, because they ain't gonna do shit for you. Dirty low down cocksuckers. Rider's Advantage, never get them. Dealerships, if you're watching this, you should not use Rider's Advantage. They're lower than whale shit. Just awful. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.